Wait, can you do a 360? Oh, okay. Wait, is it recording? Day 1 of Twitchcon. We're heading to the con. Well, we're heading to the train station to head to the con. Very excited, very nervous. Mostly excited.
Because it's going to be fun.
I don't know if the camera is going to show, but these are the outfits. It's going to be colder later today, but hopefully we might make it to the hotel to change before karaoke.
We both kind of lost our voices since.
Yeah, I drank 3 pornstar martinis yesterday.
Okay,
it's recording now.
Hello, people of TJ's vlog and channel. My name is Nance.
She's my partnered queen.
Partnered queen.
We are sipping.
TJ's had her 3rd porn star martini.
Yeah.
I've had a Diet Coke, and previously, before I came to Brewdog, I had 6 alcoholic beverages at the partner party.
We are here with
Wake up on Monday.
Mysterious. TJ. LJ Smiley. Hallie Aaron, also known as my sister.
And I'm gonna be honest.
I'm not sure who that is, but he is here.
Yeah. This is our. What time is it?
It's like 10.
It's 11.
It's 11. It's 11:09. And we're living it up.
Yep.
We're living it up.
Thank you for joining. Bye.
I love you.
What are we hitting the greedy right now? We're at this booth, and they have free pictures.
It's AR lenses.
Yeah, so we're taking the free picture.
I'm a boy and a girl in a fantasy world. Just me up, make it tight. I'm your darling. You're my dog. Roll, feeling whatever it takes. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky. Wake me up inside. Can't wake up. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Beat my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Bring me to life.
Best to use. We're going out for some brunch today.
Yeah, this is my first day in Germany. Well, technically it's the second one, but we arrived yesterday at like 10 p.m. I think. So we didn't really do much. We literally just went to sleep. Now we're going to brunch. First day out. It is, what time is it? Like
It's like
2?
1.
Oh.
No. Yeah,
1?
I think it's like 1 p.m. And
Yeah.
we're going to get some delicious brunch and some coffee because we need it. But I slept so long last night. I think I slept like 10 hours.
I slept for a very long time until the well, I'm sleeping in the living room, and she doesn't have, what is it called, like blackout?
The blind, yeah, blackout, like
So
curtains
the sun was shining.
in her face.
Yeah, so I slept good until that happened, but it's okay. I might turn around for the next night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give her a sleep mask.
No.
We'll show you guys the delicious brunch that we're about to devour.
Bye.
Hey, so look at this wonderful, beautiful sticker that I got from Charlie. It says, but we got some good food and we're gonna feast today. Tonight and today.
Look at his face tracking.
The face tracking is insane.
I got a smoothie.
I got
It's
a green juice
filled to the brim.
because I think we're both sick.
A little bit.
Yeah, from TwitchCon. It is what it is.
Mmm.
Well, mine's
You wanna
kind of
try it?
crazy. I don't think you'll like mine. I don't know if I like it. Yours is good.
It's okay.
But I don't know what that flavor is. That's weird. Hers is really good.
All right, we got our food. Shakshuka and eggs Benedict.
with salmon.
Yum. Yeah.
I just posted an Instagram for my Twitchcon. Go check it out at Marion Rob on Instagram.
And I'll make it pop up so like. Food is done. I am full. I ate it all. And I am very full. What are your thoughts?
On the food?
Yeah.
I'm still eating it and it's really good.
It was really good, very successful. I give it a 9 out of 10. Ooh. Hello. We're in a very cool trinket store. This is like the coolest store I've ever been to in my life. What is this? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is insane. Get it. This is so cool. Oh my god. Oh, well, I'm not gonna show that one on camera. It's censored. I might have to censor this. I'm not sure. Oh. Yeah, it might be censored. Who knows? Well, it's filming right now, but so I got this little bag charm thing. This is fake.
It's a lafufu. We love lafufus in this house.
It has some cool details on it.
Like bows and just lots of little
Wait, you can
trinkets.
zoom in.
Can we zoom in? It's gonna zoom in on your face.
There you go. It's so cute. I love it. I'm so happy.
Hi, bestie. We're at a really nice brunch place. Say cheese. We got some nice juices. I got a carrot, apple, ginger, and you have in.
Pineapple,
Yep.
orange,
Yep.
mint.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Just gonna have a really chill day. She's gonna go pick up some makeup at Sephora, and we're gonna. What else? Oh, I'm gonna stream Claire Obscure today, and then I'm gonna raid into her, and then we're gonna do a baking stream on her channel, and it's gonna be so fun. So very excited about that. Say bye.
The food. This has rice, salmon, edamame, avocados.
Apple tea.
I have to pee really bad.
So she literally got so much shit. Look.
I went to Sephora. Wait, can you make it look into? Oh my goodness, that's 400 euros worth of makeup. I got this cute ass bracelet.
Okay, wait,
It's
and then
two-tone.
close up on the actual thing.
It's two-tone, like my ring.
Look at that beauty. Eh. And she got a little charm with it because she's like the coolest ever. Did we show off our fits
I
yet?
did not.
These are our fits.
Yeah, it's really bad at like filming that way, but I'm wearing a dress, thrifted.
Thrifted.
It's vintage from either Japan or
Vintage.
Korea. I can't remember.
Yeah, she
this
can't
is
remember.
thrifted from episode in Amsterdam.
Episode. I think this is a good street. We're trying to make some like fit checks and stuff like that for TikTok.
We are here with.
Noah.
What's your Twitch name?
No_place.
And so what is your drink that you
Yeah, what's your boba order?
So this is ube taro, very delicious, very sweet. TJ approved.
Yeah, it was very good. Okay, I got mango coconut.
And I got ube coconut. Now let's try it. We should taste test it. Wait, girl, put your mic on.
Well, you're talking too, so I didn't want to like steal the spotlight.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna mess mine up. I feel like.
I really hope you don't because
You do it first. You do it first.
Okay.
Okay.
You have to do it quick. Strong. Yes.
Good job. Okay, let's try it. It's very frozen.
Oh. Okay. Mine kind of tastes not
Maybe
that
I need to
great.
mix it.
Maybe. You can't even see me because it's face tracking you. It's not gonna change anything. It's still face tracking you. She literally turns the camera. I don't know if you'll like mine. Mine's a lot more taro than it is ube.
This one is not as sweet.
This one's good.
My name is HTTP and I will be trying my first onigiri. Okay,
We're about to get some onigiri.
tuna mayo, hopefully spicy. Hopefully. Don't know, we'll try. Wait, don't show my card. Hello.
Isn't that so good? What would you rate it? 10 out of 10. No questions asked.